assistant professor in agriculture department at SNS institutions. Okay, today we are going to talk about post-harvest engineering in post-harvest engineering how moisture content take place. Okay, moisture content. As we all know, moisture content is amount of water present in a material like fruits, vegetables, soil, and it is also expressed in percentage of material's weight. It can be measured on both terms like wet basis and dry basis. We can calculate moisture content on wet product also on dry product. And incorrect moisture it can lead to mold growth, pest infestation and spoilage. As in daily basis we can see because of moisture content. In simple example we can say if we buy tomato and store outside the fridge we can see the mold growth and we can see the pest because of an incorrect moisture content. Why moisture content matters? Because it is matters in four important parts like in storage, processing, quality, soil management. In storage, if excessive moisture in storage, it can lead to microbial growth, spoilage, and loss of quality in grains and seeds. In processing, moisture content affect milling, drying, and food processing operations like canning, curing, grading, sorting, and etc. In quality, it maintains nutritional value and marketability because we are paying the money to product lines and we have to get our nutrition and quality. For that, moisture content is very important. And soil management. Soil moisture content influence irrigation scheduling and crop growth. Measurement of moisture content. There are various methods like to measure moisture content, and it is divided into two major types like direct method and indirect method. In direct method, it is like involve removing water from sample and measuring the weight loss with the help of dryers. Like we have various types of dryers like vacuum oven, tray dryer, and hot air oven. These methods are accurate, but it also consumes our time and it is a destructive method. First, oven drying method. It is a standard procedure to find moisture content by using oven drying for all our lab activities and in research. For that, a sample is weighed and is dried in an oven at 105 to 130 degrees Celsius. It is depending on the material, but standard temperature is 105 and it is re-weighed. For drying, we have to take a weight of the sample to reach until its constant weight. Then only we can set that the product reaches its drying state. Advantages: it has highly accurate standard method for grains and soils, and it also have limitations. It is time consuming. As I told earlier, we have to take weight at every regular intervals of 15 minutes. So it is time consuming. According to the moisture content of the product, it takes from hours to days, and it also destructive and it also requires laboratory requirement and applications. It is used in research labs and quality control for grains like rice and wheat. And second one, distillation method. In procedure, the sample is heated with a solvent, for example like toluene, and water is collected from another tube and it is measured. We can see their picture here, and it has advantages like it is suitable for materials with volatile compounds, and it has also have limitations. It requires specialized equipment. We must have a lab facility to do distillation method, and it is very less common in agriculture, and it has applications in spices and oily crops. Indirect method. In this, we have some of the method to measure the moisture content by indirect. Electrical resistance method. It measures the electrical resistance of sample like it decreases with the increasing moisture content. For example, moisture content increases when electrical resistance of the sample decreases. Advantages: it is quick, portable, and suitable for field use also. And capacitance method principle: it measures the dielectric content of the sample, which correlates with moisture content. And it also has advantages like non-destructive, suitable for bulk materials. And we have another method like near infrared spectroscopy. It uses light absorption in the near infrared rays to estimate the moisture content. It is a rapid, non-destructive, and it is highly accurate, and it is the most advanced method to find moisture content. And we can also see about equilibrium moisture content. EMC is a moisture content in which a material is in equilibrium with the surrounding environment relative humidity. It denotes RH and a temperature. And there are also some factors affecting EMC like relative humidity. When it goes higher, EMC increases. When temperature goes higher, ESC reduces. Material properties like we have protein, starch, carbohydrates, it also affects EMC. What are the real-time industrial applications we can see for moisture content is grain industry. Food Corporation of India have that particular standard like moisture content should below 14% for wheat. NRI spectroscopy also used in milling to find out the flour quality. And in food processing, we can use in snacks to ensure crispiness. As I mentioned here, potato chips require 1 to 2% moisture content. Drying fruits to optimal EMC provides mold growth during storage. And we can also use in seed industry like seeds are dried to 6 to 8 moisture content for long term storage. And also moisture meter are used to verify the seed quality before packaging. And in soil management, sensors are used to detect the soil moisture content, and tensiometers are also used to measure the soil moisture, particularly in irrigation scheduling in horticulture. And what are the challenges and future trends? Calibration of moisture meter for diverse crops. It is the very highest challenge that we are facing in moisture content because if we do proper calibration only, we can find out the accurate moisture content. And also we can see there is a variability in EMC content because of environmental standards. As we already seen about what are the factors affecting EMC, it plays a vital role here. Future trends. IoT enabled moisture sensors for real-time monitoring in smart agriculture, and also we can use AI-driven models to predict EMC based on weather data, and we can also find out portable NIR devices for affordable and non-testing. Thank you.